Okay, quick update or addition to the last video. Tagged on the end. Don't know where I am on my videos. I've done loads and then I forgot to upload them and edit them and all that stuff, so we do it a bit at a time. The garage is still full. My car's still hardly had anything done. There is a video about putting seats in that, but it's been MG again this week. Packaged the engine up. One of my spare engines I decided I didn't want anymore. That's gone. I probably need it for the white one now. No my luck. MG this week. Ooh, it's been exciting. It's been exciting. Sorry about the noise. It's Storm Eor, something like that, 100-mile-an-hour winds. Hopefully I've caught a good clip on my dash cam of something flying across the road and almost hitting somebody's car. I'll add that in later. Anyway, MG. Right. Ignore that bit. All this was missing. Well, it wasn't missing, it was there, but I think it had a front end bump. It looked awful, and yeah, it needs grinding down. It's not brilliant now, but I've put a piece in across there, all the way down there, and then this was all dented, rotten, no good. So I've done that bit. A bit tricky getting in the tight corners. Keep the torch out the way. I've had to do around the edge as well there. Did that in two separate pieces so I could get the shape. It needs flattening down. I've got to sort the end out, and then I've got to sort underneath where there used to be like chassis rail and what do we call it, oil cooler support. That's all been rotten, so I've started cutting that out. Doing it very slowly because I keep finding more rust. There was a little bit of an incident while I was doing this. Cut a bit of metal out off a big sheet. In a rush, threw it over yonder. The wing was on the car. Carried on, did a bit. I got earmuffs on because everything's loud and I'm going deaf and I don't want to be any deafer. But I could hear hissing. I think, well, what's hissing? Because it's not that. Because I faffed around last week finding the right size new ends for it, so that now doesn't leak. That's great. And I came over here and there was a tin. Well, there's two tins. There was that and the other one. And I picked one. Tools up. No, nothing. Picked a tin up. No, nothing. Picked another tin up and boom. A full tin. £8.50 wasted of black paint. Decided it didn't like being hit by a big sheet of metal, and I suppose it's useful when I come to flat it down. I can see the eye in low spots, but it's not so useful on the car. On most of the car, stop bits going rusty where it's hit, and so I picked it up and I'm like, oh, what do I do with it? And it got there as well, and there, and it got me ear muffs even though I was wearing them. And where am I going to put it? It got the floor, it got some more of the floor, and I thought I'll throw it outside. It got a bit of this box, and I couldn't throw it outside. Got this far, and then I thought, no, can't throw it outside. My road car's outside. I'm going to get black paint over my road car. So I threw it in this box. As you can see, there was a lot of pressure in that. Full tin. Wasted. It even dribbled out the end of the box. It's just my luck, folks. Just my luck. Never mind, I better shut up and get on with this. Catch you in a minute.